I'm starting with some black, and I'm going to use a tiny little bit of white here. I'm just going to make a greyish colour over here. So I'm just going to press in a little shape there, just like that. But I'm just going to drag this out. Now this is going to be distant stuff. Add a little bit of brown to this. So black and brown. Let's add a little bit of white in there too. I'm going to cut across here and we're going to do some closer mountains. So maybe we can have one about here. We'll just pull that in. So we're going to go, I don't know, we'll just follow wherever your hand takes you. Some pointy ones. And very lightly just pull it down. There we go, look at this. Pull this out now. Ready to make some mountains. Nice thick bit of white. There we go. Just a little blend around here. We just drop a nice little, just something there. Just a little plane there. Same with the black. And we'll do a nice little, maybe a rocky sort of scene. Just a bit of land and it's got some things happening on it. We're going to go something like this. Just a rough copy of what's there. Come across here. Something like that. We're going to come back and blend that out a bit. Brown on black. There, we can have a little tree there. So I'm just adding a few little things in here. Let's go here. One just there. Some white here. Nice dollop of white. Bit of that red. I'm going to make some pink, but I'm going to see what I can do with 1 inch. Just some little pink things there. That looks nice. It's good to really get the fan brush loaded up. Gives you good control over the little trees there. We'll have one here. Here's a little baby one. He's going to grow up very soon. So all we need to do is just push a bit up here. We'll just copy what's there. And this is only rough. It's a reflection, so it can be nice and rough. A little bit of pink. I suppose we could put that undercolour in as well, which is around here, so we can just tap a little bit of that. Just there. And we're just going to tap some pink in. We're going to pull down here. I'm going to make them into some rocks. So just pull straight down. Like this. If you fancy, come and join us on Patreon to support this channel. If you're enjoying yourself tonight and would like to support, you can help by just £1 a month, guys. And it would mean a lot, and you can chat to me, chat to whoever in there, get to know when I'm live, share pictures of your pets, artwork, whatever. It'd be good to have you there. There's a link underneath my profile picture on TikTok, or you can just search in Visualfusions Patreon on Google and you can come and join. Just going to go across here, whitey grey, something like that. What I want to do is a little water line across here, just a little something. let's go think about a little place here where we can have some little stuff. If I was Bill Alexander, here we go. Fire it on there. Ooh, like this. That's what Bill Alexander's like. But I'm a little bit more chilled. Probably a bit more like Bob Ross. We can pull down here with some stuff. But I'm not going to finish that completely off yet, so I'm thinking more of a grey. So look at this one. I'm going to go into this black and get a little sort of thing here going. Let's go around here, something like this. Like a moustache. I've got a tiny little script brush to do this with, but a little bit bigger about here. Make up a little Japanese building sort of thing. With some reds and stuff. I'm going to go into some liquid white. Bit of the liquid white, tone it down a little bit into them greys, and we'll just try and outline some of this. There, look, see? And we'll do the same on this one. Up in the middle, it's like a big moustache. I'm going to put some little tiles on the roof, tap in a little bit of grey colour on one side, just here. Just a little few, and then you can start adding a few, I don't know, a little shine to some of the wood structures. You can start reflecting some of this down here now, right, quickly. Just a little something, it doesn't have to be madly the same. All we need is some colour down here. Just a little something there. See? That will show, it almost looks like a Japanese signature. I've got some liquid black around here. Ooh. Which is already thinned down, so I'm going to grab some of that, mix that in, just to get the flow for it. I don't want to go over the mountains, I want this to be there, something like that. There we go. I should have this one going. Goes up over there. We can have a little one here. This is just a 1-inch brush. It's a beaten up 1-inch brush. People will ask me what brushes I'm using while they're watching the video back, so I'm going to show you. It's a 1-inch brush and it's beaten up and old. Just going to tap on some colour here. So this is a bit of a darker pink. Well, we're going to come with a little bit of colour here. I'm going to use this one. It's the same one as the brown. And all I'm doing is the smallest amount of lighter colour on top. Just make that a little bit more watery. There we go. Just put a nice little sort of waterline in around here. What a name! Cherry Mist. This is number 534. The signature is there. It does take you somewhere else. This will be up on the website tomorrow. Painting 534. Please just pop over and leave a thumbs up on the videos. And most importantly, a comment. And if you share and repost the video, that's super helpful for me. So I'd appreciate that. I can see everyone that reposts videos, so I will comment and say thank you.